How can I check the balance on someone else's Amazon gift card?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing a topic many of you have been asking about. How can you check the balance on someone else's Amazon gift card?
Can you check someone else's Amazon gift card balance?
Before we get into the steps, it's important to address the question, can you check someone else's Amazon gift card balance? Unfortunately, due to privacy and security reasons, Amazon doesn't allow someone to check the balance of another person's gift card without their permission. The card's holder must be present or share the necessary information for this to be possible. You should never attempt to check a balance without consent from the cardholder.
Prerequisites for checking the balance.
Let's say you have permission and you're ready to move forward. The first thing you need is the gift card number. This is typically a 14 or 16-digit number found on the back of the card. Often, you might also need the PIN, which is covered by a scratch-off panel. Do not scratch off the panel or reveal the PIN without the card owner's consent.
Checking the balance step by step.
Once you've got the card number and PIN, here's how to check the balance. 1. Open the Amazon website and sign into the gift card owner's Amazon account. 2. Navigate to the Gift Cards section under your account. 3. Here, select Redeem a gift card. 4. You'll be prompted to enter the gift card number and PIN. Enter these details carefully. 5. Once you've entered the card number and PIN, you do not need to click on the Apply to Your Balance button. Instead, look beneath the entry fields. Amazon should show the card's balance without adding it to the account. Remember, this balance check should only be performed with the gift card owner's consent and on their account. That's how you can check the balance on someone else's Amazon gift card. Please remember that this should only be done with the permission of the gift card holder, as privacy and consent are very important. We hope this guide has been helpful. As always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.